What makes a college student experience such a great one here at Johnson & Wales University? Engagement. This is the key to your success. We want you to engage yourself while you're here by learning in and outside of the classroom. By developing the professional skills that will help you to succeed, we expect you to engage in a learning environment of integrity, to become a leader, to believe in yourself and your success by building on a community and seeing your future as a graduate of Johnson & Wales University. Whether you're studying graphic design and digital media, robotic engineering technology, software engineering, it all starts with your faculty. Our faculty brings hands-on learning and real-world experience directly into the classroom. The unique structure of small classrooms means that your faculty will really get to know you and be there to assist you. What can you do to succeed here? We encourage you to talk with your academic advisor frequently. They will work with you on course selection and help you to achieve success here. Your faculty is your ally. Work with them and talk with them if you're experiencing any challenges. You should attend class because attendance is an expectation. Read your student Code of Conduct handbook and learn about behavioral expectations. Become familiar with your grad planner on JWU Link, which will keep you on track to graduation. There are many ways to become an active student on our campus. Whether athletics is your thing, or joining a club or organization, or maybe getting involved in student government, any of these experiences and opportunities will only help enhance and develop skills. Welcome to Johnson & Wales University.